guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit of a different video today. Today I am sharing with you some free products PR that I've been sent by L'Oreal. This is the biggest PR box that I've ever been sent. I've only started receiving PR like recently, the last 6 months maybe. I've only started recently becoming ambassadors for programs and companies reaching out to me to send me free products, but this so far is the biggest PR box I've ever received, and it's by L'Oreal. This is the box, this is the card, which I'll show you in a second, and these are all the products inside. I knew I was receiving this box because I'm part of a program with L'Oreal, and I've hit the Rising Star rank, which is actually the first rank in the program, and then you get this box as a reward for hitting the rank. So it's called Rising Star Status. So they've sent me a card saying congratulations, we're excited for you to share our content, etc. And they say that this box is worth between £100 and £120, and I worked out at around £115, the whole products in this box. So let's unbox it together. Okay, so first up we have this Garnier Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. I actually already have this and I use it regularly. I actually love it. So this is actually a really good eye cream. It's good for brightening your under eyes, and it has caffeine and things like that, which help to reduce like puffiness and things like that in your eyes. So this is the first thing. Next up we have this Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I've used this in the past, but I actually don't have one in my collection right now. This is like the mini travel size version. So it's really lightweight, perfect for popping in your handbag or taking traveling with you, and it makes your makeup last all day and all night. Next up we have this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. Now I've only recently started using Kiehl's, and it's actually a really good brand. I have never used this cleanser before, so I'm very excited to try it. It's good for people with sensitive skin as well, which is perfect for me, so I'm excited to try this one. Then we have this CeraVe Advanced Repair Ointment. CeraVe is a brand that I use regularly and I absolutely love, but I've never actually tried this one before. It immediately protects and soothes dry and rough skin while helping repair the skin barrier. It has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. It's for face, body and lips, so I'm excited to try this one too. Next up we have this La Roche-Posay Anthelios 50 Plus Invisible Fluid Ultimate Protection Ultra Long UVA Sunscreen. I love La Roche-Posay as a brand. I use their moisturizers and hand creams and things like that. So I'm excited to try the SPF sun cream. That looks really cool. Nice and small and compact to fit in your handbag as well. I love that. Next up we have this hair product. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Miracle Hair Serum. It's for dry hair. So I would pop this. I have like oily scalp, dry ends. So I would pop this like on the ends of my hair. Never tried it before. It's very heavy. I'm excited to try that though. Then we have this eye mask. Now I've used this before and absolutely love it. Anything by Garnier, I love. This is the Garnier Hyaluronic Cryo Jelly Anti-Fatigue Jelly Eye Patches. These are like really cooling, like they feel really cooling under your eyes to reduce puffiness, get rid of bags. Absolutely love this product. Then we have this L'Oreal Revitalift Filler Hyaluronic Anti-Wrinkle Serum. I have tried this before. I think I've actually got one open in my collection at the moment. And it's a really, really good product for getting rid of wrinkles, firming your face and moisturising. This is like the mini version. I have the full size version. So that's perfect for travelling as well. That's really nice. And then finally, this is the one that I'm most excited about. This is the Lancome Juicy Tubes Original Shiny Lip Gloss in the shade 02 Spring Fling. Wait till you see this. I knew I was getting this, right? And I was like, oh, I really wish, there's a certain shade that I really want. There's lots of different shades. There's pink, there's clear, there's peach. And I was like, I really want the pink. And I got the pink. This is Spring Fling. I am so excited to try this. I've never tried anything by Lancome before. So excited to try this one. So I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything in the box. The box is now empty. Just going to pop everything back inside a second. So I've popped everything back inside and this is how the box is looking now. I am so grateful to L'Oreal and all the partner companies within L'Oreal. Thank you so much for sending me this box. I am so excited to test out and try out some of these products. I feel very lucky and very blessed, so thank you so much. So yeah, that completes this video. This was me opening my Rising Star box from L'Oreal, from the L'Oreal Star program. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!